Welcome back, everyone. I'm out in the garage. I've got a lot of work done, so I'm gonna catch you up on what I've gotten done off camera, and then once we get into the video, you'll see a time lapse of what I got done. Some other stuff I got done on camera. So we're out in the garage working on disassembling and assessing everything that we've taken off the car so far for suspension wise, reviewing bushings, bearings, whatnot, and going from there. So I have a lot of it laid out on the table. Some of it's on the floor here, some of it's over here, whatnot, just everywhere. So going through all the suspension, whatnot, we've got a pile of bolts just sitting here. I don't want to use any of that hardware, so we'll get into that a little bit. Real trailing arm bushing mounts. They're fine. Probably just need to be scuffed and cleaned. Probably just put a new respray in black after I clean them. So these are probably good. I might upgrade these to ones that Drift HQ has, that has the larger slots, whatnot, for caster camber and whatnot adjustment. Don't know yet. Front lower arm bushings and mounts. I don't want to reuse these, so I'm going to try and get some SLR version ones, or might just go with some eBay knockoff angle kit. Front hubs, these are all good. These bearings feel tight. No issue there. I think hardware is going to be the main thing. Bolts are just old and rusty. Front arms, I don't want to deal with them. These joints are shot, and these ends are pretty rusted. I potentially will reuse these if I get like the SLR DIY kit or something, and cut this off, weld on a newer joint, whatnot. So this is pending. Axles, they've seen better days. They're just cruddy, but I think I'll use them until they let go, and then upgrade those. Rear upper arms, I just want to get new bushings. These are pretty good. Yeah, so rear trailing arms, bushings, bearings good. So everything's good on both of them. So I'm not too concerned on those. It's just bushings. Rear subframe, bushings, and repaint, and weld all the reinforcements. So that should be pretty good. I'm not too concerned. In previous videos we discussed kind of like the surface rust, whatnot. So yeah, and front subframe, it's all good. Just needs to be welded. And yeah, rear diff. I figured out this is I want to say a 293 ish or 291. It was pretty much like just kind of spinning it, trying to clock it, whatnot, and kind of was about just shy of 3. So, and it's an open diff. So if we are going to try and reuse it, we're going to have to weld it, but we'll see. Steering rack, previous video, I couldn't get the tie rods off. So depending on what angle kit I get, we'll probably just replace the whole tie rod, the inner and outer. Otherwise, I'm going to try and just buy some factory inners and then figure out the outers based on what I do for angle. So rack is going to be good enough for now, and we'll go from there. So that's kind of what I got for today. So stay tuned for some time lapse on what kind of the progress of how I got to where I am. Yeah. So one thing you'll see in the struggle was dealing with these axle nuts. These are the factory ones that look like, that had tabs bent in to, I'm guessing, they're bent onto these little notches on the axles. So you'll see some struggle there, but brute strength always prevails, I guess. So stay tuned for that. Pay attention, and then, yeah. Do you think Harbor Freight's going to warranty this? I might try. All right, thanks for staying through that time lapse and kind of seeing how we got to where we were at the beginning of the video. So thank you for making this far. If you made it this far, I want to show you something I got in the works. I teased it on the Instagram, looking to see who wants to support me. I got a logo made. So King Garage, kind of like the trademark for kind of what I want to do. So King Garage, kind of a cool logo. I'm getting some of these stickers made. Reach out to me on Instagram under King Garage, and I'll have it tagged below. So if you want to support me more, I'll probably get these, figure out probably like $5, and we can get them out to you guys who wants to support this build, and go from there. And I do have something special with the logo. It's not just, I got this design, I got another one coming too. So, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye.